Welcome to the tutorial. Alrighty. Import your OBJ. Beep, boop, beep. Now for this one, 0.1 to get the right scale of it. You're going to need to check whatever model you're working on because they all could be different. I don't know. Best way to check, import your own character model and just check their size. Make sure they look good. Import it. Nice. Select your shit and delete it, whatever you don't want on there. Use your middle mouse button to rotate yourself around. Whoops, I made a mistake. Control Z. No longer have I made a mistake. Alrighty, almost done. Got the doors. Those pesky doors, mate. Very good. Now, select your wheels. Shift select to select all of them. Top right, object, set origin. Set origin to geometry. Now our wheels are set. Everything else, unselect your wheels. So Control A to select it all, and then Shift click your wheels. Make sure they're not selected. You're deselecting those wheels. All right. Press H to hide everything. Make sure you're just seeing wheels. Control Z to go back. Select the body somewhere or something. Press Control J to join it. Now you got wheels and everything correctly set up. Not overcomplicated. Nice. Use the plugin. Select the body. Select the front wheel. Select the rear wheel. Rear right wheel. Front left. Rear left. Make sure they're all good. Back left. Front left. Back right. Front right. Body. And rig it up. Nice. Select it all. In your object mode, export it out. Make sure, deselect this, select this. Tutorial vehicle, 1. Export, close Blender. Make sure you wait a bit so it doesn't get export corruption and it's done its export. Clear your slate, import your FBX that you just exported. Tutorial vehicle 1. It's going to take a bit, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll be back. Welcome back to the tutorial. It might take a while to load in, but that's all good. I heavily suggest going to viewport display and clicking in front so you can see all the bones clearly. You can now see that now that we've manually opened the FBX that the plugin exported out and re-rigged for us, we can clearly see this is not okay. Now you want to go down and click 0 on that one. Click on this one. Yep. All right, before we do that, Shift S. Make sure you got this little selection here, the cursor here, there in the middle, origin. Selection to cursor. Bang. All right. That's fine. That's all we need to do. Don't worry about what I just did then. I'm going to show you what I did, all right, because I messed around a little bit. Shift S, selection to cursor. That's all we need to do to get this thing shebanging. Tutorial vehicle 1, blah, 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 blah. Important, those 2 checks right there. Do a little wiggle. Know that it's exported now that the engine's not frozen. The blender's not frozen. All right, blueberries are good to go. Tutorial vehicle 1, bada bing, bada boom, import all. It's going to take a little bit. Alrighty, and skeleton, here we go. Root, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Enjoy.